arbitrage. I've been sourcing products from China, 𝙁𝙃𝙊𝙃, and just buying 50 of multiple products, shipping on Amazon, creating listings. I focus on, obviously, an Amazon YouTube channel. I focus on an Amazon course. I focus on all Amazon. So I'm all Amazon. Here's a really good product, coconut oil. If you have so for example, we have one of the top coconut wholesalers in the country, right in our backyard, in Vancouver in BC, and you can literally buy 20-pound or whatever, I don't even know how big these are, 50-pound, those big containers of coconut oil, and it's baby, coconuts the oil was derived from, and there's a brand to it and a story to it and quality to it, and you can have it all product up for you in certain sizes, whatever. You can buy it locally. That stuff sells on Amazon for a really nice price. I don't do wholesale, but I have friends that do wholesale. I've given them tips for different wholesales that I know of locally that you can buy cool things like that. I just saw coconut oil literally as I was moving it with my finger, pop up coconut oil. And that just reminded me of a brand that we bought. We actually had to buy that product for my child because actually coconut oil solves the problem of eczema. So if you are dealing with eczema or have a daughter or a son that is dealing with eczema, go get this baby coconut oil and use that to put it on, their hands or their skin. They'll smell like coconuts. They'll probably hate it but doctors prescribe, steroids and, medicine that ruins your skin and all that type of stuff. And I remember my oldest daughter, Karis, was essentially an extreme level dry-skinned child, to the point where it was a very scary ordeal. And we couldn't use anything, and my wife didn't want to use some of the harshest products that the doctor, I forget what they're called, but the doctor would recommend, rub your, put some of this, dab it, and put some on there. It's not a cure. Anyway, we tried everything, Vaseline, all these different products. Nothing worked until one day we tried coconut oil, and we tried this particular product in our backyard. And that by the next day, she turned into a regular 4-year-old kid or 5-year-old kid or whatever it is when we discovered a product. In one day, after years of her pain and suffering and scratching and bleeding, in one day turned into a regular child. So that was amazing. And for years and years and years, we relied heavily on that massive tub of it. So, and since, she's become an adult and doing whatever she wants. Just a little story, but it's just a product that, with a story behind it,